Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the City Manager app review to see with what you're using. Just quickly dive into it. The City Manager app is designed to corporate card holder to easily manage expenses, check balance and track transactions on the go. It offers handy tools like statement viewing, payment history and card activation, plus security features such as biometric login and real-time notification, making it convenient for business travelers who need quick access to account information. However, users often report login glitches, delayed transaction update, and occasional system error that interrupt usability. While it does the basic well, the performance can feel inconsistent, and the City Manager app is also useful for managing the city corporate card, but it's not the most reliable, so expect some hiccup along the way. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.